Hey friends, this is Mayank, founder of Archetype, and today we're gonna learn how to integrate done button into your keyboard in iOS. So let's move ahead and get started.
So what we are going to learn today is something like this. When we click on this text field, the keyboard comes up with a done button. So when we click on this done button, the keyboard get dismissed. So let's open Xcode, create a new Xcode project, make a single view application, click next, name it whatever you feel like. I will name it done app, done next, and create. Now you are in a project, go to main.storyboard, and now you need to add a text field on which we want to apply the operation of keyboard accessory, input accessory. Like in iOS, the Apple calls it the keyboard. The Apple calls the keyboard input view. So to add any further feature in that, we need to add a input accessory view. So let's see how it works. Let's make changes in the color of text field like this, like this, and add a placeholder to the text field. Like I will give it name. Hit enter. Now add the required constraint like this. Now we are good to go. Add the delegate of this text field in your vController class like this. Name it name text field connect. Now switch to your vController file and start writing the code. So what do we want to do is to add a the toolbar over, like in this Azaz app we are looking at. When we click on this name, the done button comes up with over the keyboard. So let's add a toolbar right here, the toolbar. In that we will need to add a bar button item. So let's move ahead and add a toolbar. Toolbar equals to UI toolbar like this, and also add an input accessory view to the text field. Our text field name is name text field dot input like this. This property says the custom accessory view to display when the text field becomes the first responder. So input accessory view is equals to, say, toolbar, and now add the bar button. Make a bar button, like bar equals to done button equals to UI bar button item, and need to add the type of bar button item, which could be add type, bookmark, camera, cancel, compose. Here we are desiring here we are going to add the done button, so it will be dot done target self, and selector will be function which will be performed when we click on done button. Selector, let's name this done clicked. Alright, yes. Now write this function right here, function done clicked like this, and add view dot and editing, which is true, which dismisses the first responder right away. And now you need to add the done button bar button item into your toolbar. So write toolbar dot, need to find set items. The item type is array here, you can see clearly. So this is an array. We will write done button here, and animation will be false. We don't want any animation. So let's build and run this and see how it works. We click on name, the done button comes up like this. Here you can see that when we click on this done button, nothing is happening. That's because the toolbar has not yet come up on the simulator. So we need to write toolbar dot size to fit. Now let's build and run this again, and I hope this will be working perfectly now. So when we click on name, yeah, the toolbar is having this bar button over the keyboard. So when we click on done, it goes back. We click on done, it dismisses the keyboard. So now if we want to have a done button right on the right hand side, so what we need to do, we need to add some flexible space in our toolbar. So make a flexible space variable, flexible space equals to UI bar button item, and the item type will be this time flexible space dot flexible space. Target will be nil and action will also be nil. Let's add this bar button item. Oh, there is a mistake. Yeah. So add this bar button item to our array right here, flexible space, and let's build and run this. And there is an error, there is a correction in the spelling. It's space like this, space. Let's build and run this now and see the changes that we have made just now. So here we have our desired application. The done button is on the right hand corner now. When we click on done button, it dismisses the keyboard. You can do this with multiple text fields also. You can add other bar button items to this keyboard, to this toolbar also. So just explore it and have fun.
So guys, if you like the tutorial, please hit the like button down below and subscribe my channel for further such videos in future. See you in the next one.